Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me once again today. If you're new here, please subscribe and click on that bell so that you are the first to know anytime I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, I say thank you once again. Today we are going all the way to Nigeria. Yes, we are making Gizdodo. It is the toddler-friendly version and you don't want to miss this. For our ingredients, we will need chicken gizzards. We will also need ripe plantain, diced. Before we start, we will fry our plantain and set that aside. We will also need some blended tomatoes and onions. I'll also be using some turmeric powder, rosemary, and salt. Here I also have grated carrots, some green bell pepper, and onions. You can include any vegetables of your choice. I'll also need some cooking oil, and lastly, palm oil. So to begin, we are about to steam our chicken gizzards. So I pour into it my blended onions. Then I'll go ahead and add some fish powder, turmeric powder, rosemary, and salt. Then I'll give it a light stir. Then I'll add some water, enough to cook it till it's very tender, because we are making this for a toddler. And then you bring it to a boil. So here we have our chicken gizzards, nice and tender. Moving on medium-low heat, I'll place a saucepan and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then I'll add another tablespoon of palm oil. Once my oil is slightly heated up, I'll proceed to add my blended tomatoes. Ntutuo na efi mu ba ne kra chese de ne be kama. I'll then go ahead and add my chicken gizzards with its stock and allow the juices to seep into the stew. I'll cover to simmer for about 3 minutes, and here we have it infused into a stew. We'll now go ahead and add our fried plantain. We will stir that also in and cover to simmer for another 3 minutes. This is looking good. We'll now go ahead and add our vegetables and then stir that also in and leave it just to simmer for about 2 minutes. Then our Gizdodo will be ready. Our toddler-friendly version of this Nigerian delicacy is served. Add this to your meal plan for the week and see how the kids will enjoy it. As usual, if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week with another nutritiously yummy homemade food for our babies and toddlers. Until then, keep blooming.